Hello guys, good afternoon. Today is Friday. Let's see, Friday, April 18th. I have made a video about the paid services. Today, a lot of people, a lot of subscribers, viewers, they ask me, what is it in this training? Okay, at least they understand what we'll get. Okay, my training is 2 sessions. Each session is 3 hours. Okay, so total 6 hours. But it depends a little bit, more or less, because some people who know how to trade, they don't need that much time. But those who don't know to trade, or they have never traded before, so it will take more time, because I will explain very simple things that just anyone can know, but for them it's a new thing. Okay, so just I will explain more. Now we will do the best time is in the weekend, because most of the people are free in the weekend. So I will have sessions 9 to 12 or 1 to 4. Okay, you can choose wherever you want. And Sunday 9 to 12 and 1 to 4. Okay, so we have 4 sessions here. If you want to begin, you just choose any session. Now the second session is next week. Okay, why I put the next session next week? Okay, some people they tell me, okay, why it's not like a boot camp, just we have it in one day, that's it. No, I will tell you why. Because the first 3 hours you will know how to trade, that's it. Okay, 3 hours you finish with almost everything. Now the whole week, next week, is you begin to do your trades. And next week, that means the next session, what we do, I will ask anyone to have trades that he has done, not in the past, because some people, I have traded some people before. They take any stock and they say, oh, I have bought it here and I have sold it here. You can't buy in the past. So it's a solid training. It's not a joke. I'm telling you. This is strategy that you can make money. It's not just a free strategy that you can find online or anything that you might know. Even if you are training for many years, you will see that there is a big change. The way you look to the market will differ from all what you have seen before. We don't see any company thing. We see only the ticker, because you are searching hundreds of stocks and you choose the best of the best. So this has nothing to do with the company earnings, famous or not, and how long was it in the market, 100 years or 200 years. No, we don't do all that thing, because those things, you can never make money from these things, because this, when you see the company, it's like for investing. Okay, we are not do investing. Now what I am teaching you in this training, I'm teaching you swing trading. Now, swing trading is not day trading. Swing trading is you buy today, you sell tomorrow, or after 1 week, or after 1 month, or 2 months. Depends on the stock. If the stock is so strong, you wait until you get that much from it, until the trend stops giving you money, and when it's going down, you exit. Okay, so we are looking for strong stocks. These are called leaders. We are not looking for crappy stocks that go each day like 10 cents. No, we are looking for stocks that it can go $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $8, $10 a day. Okay? Now you say, oh, this how do you find them? Yes, I will show you how to find this kind of stocks. This is not a game. People, especially people who have money, it means they can buy big stocks. I will show you where are these stocks. Sometimes I put some stocks before, and I have put a lot. You can check them, but in the training I will show you in detail what is it. Okay. Now the first session I will explain the rules that you should apply. Okay. If you don't apply the rules, you are not doing my strategy, you are doing your strategy. Okay? So, why you apply the rules? Why it is so important? Because you are applying my rules that I use in my training. Okay? So, you will do like me. So, you must have money. Okay? By force of doing what I do. Now, these rules specify all the things that you should do step by step. Okay? These rules are non-negotiable. It means if I tell you right now you are a beginner, you are a student, don't buy penny stocks. You must not do them. If you do them, you are not doing what I ask you to do. So you will be going to lose money in the future. Okay? You can use my strategy for penny stocks, but the bad thing is, as I told you many times, many videos, penny stocks, you can't control how much you lose. And if you can't plan a trade, you can't do a trade. Okay? People, they buy penny stocks at $1 and they say, you buy 1,000 shares, 2,000 shares, 10,000 shares, and you say, oh, it's going up, let's see tomorrow what will happen. This is not trading. You are not doing business. Okay? You are gambling and you are hoping that the stock go up. Now for me, I don't hope. Okay? The stocks that I choose, like, they must go up because I am certain. If one doesn't go up, I exit the trade. I don't wait many days to see. I am not going to hope. You must understand this. Why I am giving you trading, this training? It's because it's business. I'm not doing magic here or sorcery or something, or I know the future. I will show you where the stocks will go up as magic. No, it's all math. We select stocks, strong stocks that are leaders in their industries. How do you search them? I will give you how to search for them. Okay? Now, when you have all these stocks, you follow the rules one by one before you buy, because we have time. Okay, we have time to think before when we make the plan. But when we make the plan, it's over. Okay, we buy by this price. Tomorrow, if it goes down and it hits your stop loss, get out. That's it. You don't think about it. You don't see the stock. You don't see the news. You don't go to Wall Street guys and they tell you, oh, hold this stock because the following year it will go up from 100 to 200. We don't follow analysts. We don't follow news. We don't follow companies' management. We don't follow nothing. We follow the price. Okay? If a stock is $100, it is losing money each day. You see that from 100 it goes to 95, to 90, to 85. And some people, they tell you this stock will go to 1,000 in 10 years. If you believe in them, okay, don't do my training. This is what I am asking you. If you want to do my training and especially if you have experience in trading before, please take all what you know before, okay? All what you know before, put it apart. This is yours. This is your stuff, okay? If you are making money from your stuff, you are not coming to me, okay? You do what you do. You are making money. Good luck, and hope we will become friends. And that's it. Now, if you are not making money, if you trade 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, or 6 years, 7 years, you have never seen the money. You have some money, and later you lose this money. You have a profit and then you lose it, okay? So you are mostly neutral. You don't get much money from the market. You get money as a profit and then you lose it afterwards, okay? So this is, you have problems in your trading, okay? There is a problem. Now when you have my training, I will teach you how to solve all your problems of trading. You should see so clear that the stocks that you want to buy is like when you see the sun in a sunny day, okay? You can't miss it. If you can miss the sun in a sunny day, you are blind. So it's something that I can do nothing, okay? I can do nothing. Now, unless you dream of the sun and you have seen it before, this maybe, okay? So we say the first session, 3 hours, I give you all the rules. I have around 33 rules. These rules specify how you buy, how you choose your stocks, how you buy them, how you put stop loss, how you follow these stocks when there is a trend. There is a way. There are many ways, but I will show you the best ways. Okay, this is the first session. Now, at the end of the first session, I will give you a homework. What you should do? You should go to my chart, a free chart, I will give it to you. So you install it, and then you begin the work. This is the work. You begin doing my strategy. You will have portfolio or watch list, and you put all the stocks that you see, that you get a signal from them, or those that are near the signal, you put them in a watch list. Now during the week, for example, you do this in, for example, the weekend when you have my training, and Monday you begin either buying, or you begin buying, or you begin searching again, because each day we have some other stocks that have a signal for us. Okay, you buy some from my chart. Okay, you don't need to buy them for real because you are training. I don't advise you to buy for real. Just do what I ask you to do. Okay, and then you put a list, whatever you put a list, and you begin following them, and the whole week. Okay. Now next week, what we will do? Next week you will bring me the list of stocks that you have done. It means, and you show me stock by stock. When I ask you why, when you give, I say to you, okay, why did you choose this stock? Because I tell you why we choose this stock. We don't choose the stock. The reason, it's not a company reason. Fundamentals or earnings or company management or analysts say this, or Warren Buffett says this, or some guru in trading tells you to buy this. No, I will tell you, we have only one reason, technical reason. It has nothing to do with the company. It has to do with the price. Okay? Now, we go through one by one. Excuse me. Now, when we see the stocks, okay, I will tell you what is wrong, what is the rule that you didn't do, or you break a rule. For example, I tell you, don't do penny stocks, and you go and you buy a stock which is 50 cents. My strategy doesn't work with those, because the risk in this 50 cents is too much. if the stock, if this stock, the penny stocks, $1, $2, $3, $4, okay, if each day it goes up or down for 10% or 20%, it's too much money. Okay, if you put $10,000 and the stock goes 20%, how much you lose? You lose. Let's just give you an example. You put $10,000. This is all your money. You put it in a stock that it is $1. Okay. Next morning it is 80 cents. How much you lose? You lose $2,000. For me, if I put $100,000 in a stock, I will not lose $2,000. $2,000 is too much money. I can win 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000 from 100,000. Yes, but I will never lose $2,000 or $3,000 in one day. I'm not crazy. I'm still having my brain. Okay, I'm okay. So people are crazy. Okay, that's why for me, I want to stop your craziness, to stop doing stupid things, to do what we call kamikaze trading. You are gambling. You put $10,000 and you are just gambling with these penny stocks, because penny stocks are manipulated. Anyone can short them. $1, and the next morning you can find 10 cents. You lose all your money and you begin to cry. And then you say it's the market manipulation, and then you begin cursing and blaming Wall Street guys. No, it's you. It's not blaming guys. It's a game. You should play the game. First, you should understand the game. If you don't understand what you are doing, if you don't understand the game of Wall Street, you should never be here. Go and sell potato or tomato or whatever, or vegetable, or sell whatever you want, or cars, or the business that you like and that you are good at. Okay? This business, you should have another mentality. Okay? Another state of mind. You are in a business, in a big game. This game is game of stocks. Buy, sell, you make more money. Okay? Now, I will show you what you have done good and what you have done bad. Because some students are very good. They learn they learn perfect. Whatever I tell them, they do blindly. That's why they begin to see the money. Okay? Now, because there should be no contradiction, no conflict in your mind. For example, I say to you, don't trade penny stocks, and you are convinced that penny stocks is your future. Okay, why you take my training? Go and do penny stocks. Okay. Now, when do you do penny stocks? When you are professional. After 2 years, 3 years, when you master the trading, you master how to buy, you master how to sell. You study these penny stocks. Okay? You see what makes them go up, what makes them down, because there is a lot of manipulation, a lot of schemes, pump and dump schemes. So you should follow these guys who do pump and dump schemes. You should follow them, because they move the market. The penny stocks are not normal stocks. Okay, they are a category of stocks that you should have some knowledge about the people who manipulate the stocks. Okay, so now we finish studying your stocks, and we see what's the problem, and I will correct all your mistakes that you have done. Okay, and I will give you another chance to make other selection. Now, after we finish this, we go to how to deal with the trend. Now, some people select good stocks, but they don't know how to deal with it. It goes up a few days, goes down, it goes up, it goes down. Okay, so there are a lot of kind of stocks. They don't behave the same. Some they have the same characteristics. They go wild 1 week, 2, 3, 4, or 4 weeks wild. They go so high, strong. Okay, and then when they decline very, very fast, and you can lose a lot of your profit. So what do? There are ways on how to deal with this. Okay, we will explain to you how to deal with it, where to put your stop loss, because there are many ways to do it. And the stocks are not the same. Okay, there are stocks that are volatile. They go so in the day they go, the low and the high are so wild. Okay, so you shouldn't mess up with the different stocks. So each kind of stocks have personality. For example, if you are doing drugs sector stocks, they are not like bank stocks. Okay, bank stocks most of the time they are very slow. The other ones, drug stocks or pharmacy stocks or biotechnology stock, they are very, very volatile. You find some stocks that go so high in one day, and they are too small, like $10, $20, $30, $50, and they go down very, very quick. So you should be prepared to distinguish these kind of stocks. The stocks, they are not the same in the stock market. Okay, and each industry has characteristics. You will learn this by time. Okay, when you are in industry, you are like trading a lot of times in industry, you begin to see the characteristics of that one. So in the stock market, there are thousands and thousands of companies, stocks. Okay, so stock selection is one of the most important thing we do. You are always searching for these kind of stocks. So each week you have them, each month you have them. Okay, so there is no need to be frustrated if you don't find in a few days. If you don't find stocks that go up, you will find stocks that you can short. You will find plenty, because industries, some they go up, some go down, some they go down. What you see in the newspaper, in the news, in TV, what they say to you, they give you the one day, oh, these stocks go up, and then they show you, oh, these companies they go down. Okay, and they try to give you reasons why they go up, why they go. All is nonsense. They saying like this: investors fear that something, that's why the stocks go down. Who are these investors that they change their mind each day? We don't have investors. They keep their stocks for years, for decades. So it's not a game. If someone puts $10 million in a company, he will not in each day he thinks to take his stocks or to sell his stocks. This is day trading. This is not investors. This is traders. That's why they confuse you in the TV, in the news, and they always say they use this word mistakenly. Okay, so when they say investors, they don't mean investors. They mean traders, because the trader is looking for some quick money in a time frame. Some in 1 minute, some 2 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, day trading, or like me, swing trading, few days. I have few days. I take my money. I just get 10%, 20%, or 50% from a stock, and I just quit. I just exit the stock. I shouldn't stay with the company. I'm not going to invest in the company. I'm just taking advantage of the trend. Strong trends going up or going down. That's it. So I participate. I don't anticipate. I don't look for the future what will happen. I don't know what will happen. But if I see some stocks going up, I buy them according to my rules. If I see stocks that are going down, I short them according to my rules. Okay, you can just have some information about the company. If the company is a mess or company lose bad earnings and take advantage of that, it's okay. This is later. But for me, I am not using fundamentals about the company. Forget about fundamentals. Here you see all things clear. You don't have no problem with looking at the stocks. And the way I teach and the way I trade is so simple. Anyone, someone asked me, what is the level that you can suggest to do this, the future or something? I say, my level, the level of any trader that can do swing trading or day trading or something, if you have the level of 5 years old, it means kindergarten, and you know how to count, that's it. You don't need to be a PhD in math in order to. Most of the PhD in math, they go to interest rate. They will never trade because probability is too much for them. Okay, they invest maybe for something, but they are too scared to trade. Okay, that's why they can't. All the people don't think there is no what you call like intelligence or high Q or ratio or this stupid thing that you always listen to. So don't listen to anyone. Okay, you just have the training. Just you buy the stocks. If they go up, stay with them. You make money. If you see one that it is not good, kick it out. That's it. This is how you make the money. Okay. Now, this is I told you about what we do. About the rules to the first session, about how we try to correct all mistakes. In the second session, we do how to do how to follow the trend up or down. Now, everything is included in the rules. It means how you buy, how you select stocks, what stocks to avoid, what are the best stocks. All this is included in the rules, so I will not give you all what I want to do because it takes hours just to explain one by one, because I will not give you rules here. Okay, I will not give you rules. Rules are for people who are students. Okay, I have for the price I have 3 prices. If you want a loan, this is I do it before. But if you are 2, I reduce by half. And if it is by 3 and more, I will charge you 1/3. It means 33% like tuition for your training. Okay, and this is the best I can do. I can go lower because I can't give away my strategy for like this, because you will make money. So you can go having a training or having an education for free. Okay, if you want free education, go to your broker. He will teach you how to trade. Believe me, if you stay with your broker 100 years, all your life, you will never make the money from him, because he doesn't trade. He takes commission. He pushes you to trade in order to take commission. Okay? He will just bring you some indicators. Yeah, I forgot about indicators, because some people. Now, I don't use indicators. All the people that use hundreds of indicators in the chart, I don't use them. So be prepared that it is so simple. My way of trading is so simple. If a boy, like he's 10 years, 12 years, 14 years, if I show him the way, he will be a pro. In 1 year or 2 years, he will be a professional trader without having any kind of education or degree in economics or nothing. Okay, so it is so simple. It takes all the mess in the market. You will see clear. Okay, and some people, they have signed up for. So I will not begin until I see the people, they begin, not this week, but maybe next week I will begin with the people, the few people they sign, because I can't wait that much. Okay, so this is all about my training. Please, if you have any question that you might think, because sometimes they trade. A lot of people they use indicators. Some people they use moving averages, and they use them for a long time. But I'm telling you that moving averages or indicators like MACD or like bulling thing or wherever, bulling bands or wherever, these are just ways that other traders have done before. So they use them, maybe they are useful for them before, but for me they are useless. I don't need them, because I have my own way of doing things that are so simple and clear than them. Because all what you see is based on the price. Even the indicators are based on the closing price. It's just calculations. All what you see as indicators. But for me, I will give you a way to see things that you have never seen before, or you have not imagined, or you know, but you don't know that that's it for me. Okay? So this is all for my training. I think I have given full information about all what you get. If there is something missing, I don't speak about it, or something that is very important for you, and you want to speak about it. For example, other things like, for example, how many positions I should have in my account, or all the things will be included in the rules, because the rules is something that it is that covers everything: risk management, money management, stop loss, like especially risk. We study a lot of rules about risk, because you shouldn't risk that much, because if you reach that much in the whole account, you will lose a lot of money, and when you lose a lot of money, you cannot trade. Okay, I will speak about all that. If you have any questions, specific questions, either comment, or if it is a private question, send me a private message from YouTube, or send me your email. I will send you information. Now the prices that I told you, you should send me an email or a private message. I will send you the prices. That's it. Okay, that's it for the training. So please be encouraged to ask questions before you sign up for my training. At least you have clear vision what you get. Okay, I don't want you to think that you get this and you get that. Okay, I'm doing swing trading. Please don't mess up with investing like for the long run or day trading. Even my way of trading, you can do it in day trading. It's the same thing. But day trading needs more specific things, because it's a style. You need to see other things. That's why I'm not doing day trading. And most of the time, all the people, they don't have time to do day trading. And you should have to do day trading for professional. You should have more than $25,000, because in brokers or in the Security Exchange Commission, they don't let you trade more than 4 round trades in a week. They let you, they flag your account and they stop you from trading. Okay, maybe 1 month, maybe 30 days, maybe 3 months. Because they say, okay, if you want to do day trading, you should have more $25,000, because this is not a broker's rule. It's the government rule. Okay, that the Security Exchange Commission that asked for this. I don't know why they ask for more than 25,000. I have no idea. Okay, so we are doing swing trading. We are following for short to medium trends up or down, either going long or short. Most of the time I do go long because all the beginners they feel comfortable more about this, and then going short is very simple. It's the same thing. It's just, but it is more dangerous. That's why I will explain. And I give you guidelines how to do it. Okay. So please, if you have any questions, just ask, and that's it. Some of you have already signed. I told them to wait until we get enough people, and then we begin teaching. Okay. Thank you very much. I will do a video about the stock picks. It's not in this video. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.